So this is a good example to show you how the deck stacks in our yard and how much space it takes up on site potentially once we've cut and deployed the bundles to site. And here's a little example of installation of the deck. As you can see, we line the ribs through from end to end as we lay them out, and they're easily cut, as you can see here. With this operative carving a lump out of the deck to fit it around an obstruction on the frame. So it's pretty easy stuff to mobilise and fit. We show you how to do it, as well as deploy teams to come and do it for you if you need to. So hope you enjoyed it, and contact us if you want to know more.